Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 maths class. Students, now come to book page number 70. Today we will write missing numbers from 51 to 70. 51 to 70. Students, look here. Which number is this? 51. Which number is missing? 52. Now we will write here number 52. 53. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 53? 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 60. Which numbers are missing? 57, 58, 59, 59, 60. 62. Which number is missing? 61. Now we will write here number 61, 62, 66. Which numbers are missing? What comes after 62? 63, 64, 65, 66. What comes after 66? Which numbers are missing? 67, 68, 69. What comes after 69? Which number is missing? 70. Now we'll write here number 70. Now kids, it's your turn. Complete book page number 70. Allah Hafiz.